friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Ukrainian flag not add on your Facebook profile. So if you want to fix that, sometimes it not appear. So what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Facebook. So when you open your Facebook, you will see like this. Now you have to click on this button, click on it, and now what you have to do is see your profile. Click on see your profile, and just click on this camera button and click on add frame. Now here you have to type different thing: Ukraine flag. Okay, like this. Now you will see that here some options are like this. Here you will see like this. Click on it. So my Ukraine, I have already added the Ukraine flag, but it will change now. So you will see like this. So you can fix this anywhere, and when you now click on save. So like this you can fix Ukrainian flag not add on your Facebook profile. So if you like the video, please like the video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.